All right, it's not very often on my channel where I put out a video that I'm pretty embarrassed about, but I accidentally cracked our bathroom vanity countertop. Check it out. I was removing it from the vanity cabinet and pried it in the wrong, put a little too much pressure on, and boom, it cracked. I made a separate video on that process, and I think people can still learn from it as to what not to do when removing your countertop. But in this video, we're going to be gluing it back together using this epoxy resin. And I'm also a little embarrassed because, well, it's not a great glue job, but I'm putting it out there nonetheless because I think an epoxy resin mix can still fix a massive screw up like this, a stone countertop breaking. And I have made a separate review on the epoxy resin that I'm using. But long story short, and you can search my channel for that, obviously, but long story short, I'm going to be DIY fixing this. So the first thing I'm doing is dry fitting it. I have this very sophisticated children's plastic basketball hoop that happens to be the exact same height as my sawhorses. So I am putting that dry fit up against where I want it to be and then mixing up my resin. Now, once you mix this stuff up, you're on a timetable. You've got about 5 minutes, and every second that passes, it loses integrity. The quicker it dries, the less bond it has. So I am painting that on there as fast as I can on both sides, and then we'll be pressing that up against the edge like that, trying to get that seam as smooth as possible. Obviously, your situation might be a little different. You might have to clamp it. I actually used to clamp, actually. You can see right down there, big pipe clamp, and trying to get that steady as possible. Now, I also had the added benefit of being able to pick up some of these fractured pieces of stone from the bathroom upstairs that I found. So I'm going to be puzzle piecing those back together. This is like one of the worst jobs ever, but still, it can be done, right? Got your epoxy resin, put a little on the underside there, and put that into place. Now, I'm not going to be using this vanity again. This was on its way out anyway, and now I'm going to have to just give it away as opposed to sell it for a few bucks, and I'm okay with that. We're going to be totally redoing the bathroom in a separate video. We're doing a wood countertop, so pretty excited about that. So be sure to subscribe if you want to be notified when that video is ready, and other do-it-yourself videos around the house. Anyway, here it is. Still gluing these little pieces back, and we'll let that dry and cure for a good 48 to 72 hours before I'm going to mess around with it. And it is pretty darn solid. If you don't believe me, check out the review video for this epoxy resin mix, and I really put it to the test by gluing a marble counter or a marble top to a table together. Super durable. But anyway, if you happen to have a bathroom vanity that needs fixing, that's kind of the general process on how you do it. Hopefully you don't screw things up as bad as I did. Anyway, we'll stop the video there. Thanks for being with me.